He's a bad beast on that barbecue, on the grill or the smoker. He knows just what to do. He's a bad beast on that barbecue.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Bad Beast Barbecue. Hey, the other day, the wife and I went by Hooters, and I tried their bacon-wrapped wings. They were pretty good. I like the idea of bacon being wrapped around chicken wings. I don't know really if they deep fried them or if they smoked them. They didn't have no smoke flavor to them. So we're going to do our Bad Beast Barbecue version of bacon-wrapped chicken wings. We're going to be cooking out on the RecTech 700 today. And we're going to be seasoning our wings and then wrapping them in bacon, throwing them out there, and we're going to be cooking them about 275 to 300 degrees, okay? But in order to add some smoke flavor, you guys know that the RecTech, while it's a fantastic pellet smoker, anything over 250 degrees that you're cooking at does not impart a whole lot of smoke flavor. So today we're also going to be trying out this smoking tube that these folks from Carpathen sent us. Okay, this is the Carpathen Z smoker tube. Okay, and what's unique about this one, this is square versus the round ones that I have, and so I'm interested in seeing how this works out. Okay, it also came with a cool little sack to put it in once it cools down. Okay, so we're going to put the Z smoker through its paces inside of the RecTech pellet smoker to see how long it lasts, and we're going to see if it imparts smoke flavor like it's supposed to. Okay, so hey, sit back, relax, don't go anywhere, watch us do the quick prep work and this cook, and we'll see how our results come out at the end, how our bacon wrapped wings taste, and how the Z smoker performs. Don't go nowhere. Okay guys, so here's the chicken that we're going to be using today. We got both flats and drumettes. The chicken that I got from Hooters were just the drumettes, so we're going to be using both pieces. The season that we're using today is called It's Incredible, made by Heaven Made Products, and it's a fantastic rub. Once our chicken is seasoned, we lay our bacon strips on a rack that's been sprayed with non-stick spray, and we wrap each piece of chicken individually in its own strip of bacon. Now we're going to prepare the Z smoker tube for the pellet grill. We're putting in a combination of mixed wood pellets plus cherry wood pellets to give a little red color during the smoking process.
Time
Looking at the Z smoker tube, we've only used 1/3 of pellets during the cook. So it seems that we can get 3 to 4 hours of smoking time from a full tube of pellets. All right, guys, so the cook is finished. Took about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes at 275 degrees. But of course, the outside temperature I did today is like well over 90 degrees. So the smoker had no problem cooking these to temperature, okay? So as you saw, we temped these at 190 degrees, so they're well over the safety mark. They smell fantastic. They smell smoky, which is I'm definitely interested in how they taste and going on. So let me go ahead and give you a close-up look at this and then we'll press on. So as you guys can see, the bacon has rendered very, very well. It smells fantastic. The wings aren't as crispy as the ones that I had at Hooters, but I think they fried theirs and these are smoked. So we'll see which one I like the best. I guess we could flash fry these to get them really, really crispy. But we're going to go ahead and taste them now and see exactly what they taste like. All right, so we're going to go ahead and have a taste test. We got one of our drumettes here. Smells smoky. You smell the bacon. You can smell the It's Incredible rub, okay? So let's go ahead and have a bite. Wow, these are really, really good. Not as crispy as the ones that I had at Hooters. Like I said, they must have deep fried those. But these are really good. The bacon flavor on the outside of the chicken, the It's Incredible rub, the smokiness. That Z smoker tube really did a very good job at applying smoke to the meat. Let me get another bite of this. Oh man, clean bone, man. Talk about this is very good. What I like about it too is that the fat from the bacon kept the chicken wings very moist, okay? And the bacon is crispy on the outside, has a fantastic flavor. I think this is a win-win. I'm continuing to do this to keep perfecting it, but I think 275 degrees for an hour and a half to hour and 45 minutes in the RecTec is perfect, okay? You could even probably take off the skin from the chicken wings, from the flats and from the drumettes, and then do them naked and wrap them in bacon, and you might even get it to be a little bit crispier, okay? But this was fantastic, okay? So the RecTec performed as usual, the RT700. Can't complain about that. You guys know I love the RecTec, so if you're interested in getting one, contact the guys at TEC Grills. They got a fabulous line of smokers that you can check out. Also, I want to thank the folks from Carpathen. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. They sent us this Z smoker tube. I have several tubes, and most of them are circular, and they normally go out on me somewhere during the cook. The Z smoker, right now, I filled it to the brim. It was just 1/3 complete with the hour and a half, hour and 45-minute cook. So it looks like I got another 3 hours or so before the pellets burn completely out. So we took some kosher salt and put it on some paper towel in the rack and put it in the smoker with the Z smoker tube, and we'll see if we can smoke some salt also with the remaining pellets that's in the tube. But this is a great product. It stayed lit the entire time. I put it on the side of the RecTec where you have the hole for the thermometer probe. That way you got a little airflow in there that kept the pellets going. And I gotta say, this is a fantastic product. So hey, in the description block, I'll put the contact information down for Carpathen or Carpathen Z Smoker. You can purchase this off of Amazon. Also, I'll put the contact information for RecTec Grills down in the description block. So check them out if you're interested, okay? Well, that's all we have time for today. Like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. And if it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.